Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a super fun tune by Blind Melon, No Rain. Fun and easy. We only got 1, 2, 3, 4 chords. Okay. With standard tuning E. Alright, so we got E major, 1, 2, 3. Song is in E. We got D major. 1, 2, 3. We got A major. 1, 2, 3. And we got a G. And sometimes the E is an E7. So that's just lifting up the third finger. So open D string. So we got E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. E to D. E to D. Verse. E, E, E. D, 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 D. A, 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 A. G, E7. E, D, 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 D. A, 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 G, D, E. 2, 1, chorus. E, E, D, 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 D. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, let's see. Down, 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 down. One, two, three, four. One more verse, come on. D, 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 to A, A, G, G, E7. Cool. Fun song, man. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more great hits. Be safe. Thank you.